Hi everyone, it is Friday and I haven't posted a dinner with me for about 3 weeks, and it's just because I've been so busy and it's just like a case of just trying to get fed, go to bed, go on to the next thing. Like my car's been in a garage, my tumble dryer has died, and I've just been so busy with work. But I thought I'd jump on here and show you what we're having. The kids have requested burgers, so we are having hamburgers and chips for the kids and cheeseburger for me, because my kids like cheese. They do like cheese, but they won't eat it on a burger. I can't answer that one. They just won't eat it on a burger. What's your favourite takeaway? I love Chinese food, but takeaways are so expensive now. Like, it's mad. Food's so expensive in general. But this is the kids stitched up, and this is mine. And here are the milkshakes. We're having Oreo milkshakes. Follow for more.